Hello everyone, I'm Professor Lee of Dr. Wildlove TV. This is a beautiful purple autumn wildflower made in Saussurea. Isn't the name pretty? The Chinese name means a plant in the Asteraceae family with beautiful flowers, and the scientific name and English name both mean cute and beautiful. The purple flower blooming in bunches at the end of the stem and branches are so beautiful. The petals are small, but the pistil and stamens are long, making it pretty. This wildflower is also used as a flower for high-quality bouquets. The butterfly sucking honey is the oriental common butterfly. If you see a lot of these butterflies, it is October. Of the three pairs of legs, the front legs are degenerate and short, so they look like four legs. The spot pattern on the wings look like a cheetah, right? This is a unique butterfly that spans the cold winter. What you see now is the shape of the spring root leaves. When they are young, they are characterized by a lot of fluff. You can lightly boil them and eat them as a side dish, and they are also good in soybean paste soup. In traditional medicine, it's used for various inflammation, high blood pressure, hepatitis, arthritis, diarrhea, etc. In modern medicine research, there is no clinical study yet, but in animal experiment, it's characterized by a strong anti-inflammatory effect that improve gastric ulcer and duodenal ulcers and prevent the progression of ulcerative colitis. I saw seed collected from a hike in late fall and made a flower path. It's about 1.5 meters tall and looks beautiful as it sways in the wind. It's a biannual plant, so only the root leaves grow large in the first year, and in the second year, beautiful flowers bloom like this. It's past its peak season, so the flowers are starting to fall, but they are still pretty. This guy likes a sunny spot with well-draining soil. Since it's a biannual plant, the roots die after the flower bloom, but new roots grow next to the old roots and propagate in the surrounding area, so it's good to grow it as an autumn wildflower.